BBAI stock analysis and BBAI stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything, so seeing what's working and what's not, especially as I'm looking at BigBear.ai here. It's already just beneath $4, man, and honestly, I'm just looking to take it further up. Like, I'm not just saying this in a way just to say it, you know. Bro, for context, I've done 42,000 videos. It's taken me 5 years, you know what I mean? So, got this long, like, it's not even just here, you know. This pump has already happened in the first runner, first kind of season when we took things up. Here's even the proof of that video when I made. Because, again, no one's going to come here and show you these types of videos. So, that was sitting at 228 at the time, 6 months back. This is just last year, you know what I mean? So, now we came here, and I mean, this is a beautiful color. I mean, I'm still waiting for this to kind of either come lower and just take me out or just hit TPs, you know what I mean? So I do have previous receipts with BBAI in my Discord. And if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free mouse.